So, hello dosto, welcome to you all in our new video. Okay, today we will see that how we can activate the deletion flag for a material. Okay, so before starting the SAP activity, so first I will tell you what is the deletion flag. Okay, for a material. Okay, so in a real-time scenario, it may be happen that if you have a material, okay, and you are doing some purchase activities for that material for a long time, okay, but at present the business has decided that they will not continue to procure the material or make any transactions entry uh, related to this material code. So that time you will have to activate the deletion flag for the material so that whenever a user will go to make any transaction activity for that material, the system will rise an error. Our system will display a message that flag is this material is in the deletion flag. Okay, so basically the use to activate the deletion flag for a material is that whe- whenever the business want to stop the transactional activities for a particular material, it may be for all plant, it may be for a specific plant, our it may be for storage location level, our some other parameters. Okay, so that time you have to run this transaction and activate the deletion flag indicator for particular material. Okay, so let's start how we can activate the deletion flag for a material in SAP. Okay, so to activate the deletion flag for a material, you have to run a transaction code which is mm06. Okay, so let's we start. Okay, so here in the transaction command, I will enter the transaction code mm06. Once you will enter the transaction code, you will see this screen where you have some fields. Based on that you want to activate the deletion flag. Okay, first of all you have to give that material code. Okay, and after that you want to describe that at which level you want to activate the deletion flag for that material, like plant level, it may be store location level, valuation type, okay, sales organization level. So first we will see that how we can activate the deletion flag for a material at client level. Client level means whenever you are working on any client, like for example 100, 300, 200, whatever may be your client, and you want to activate the deletion flag at that level, that time you just have to enter only material code and press enter. Okay, once you will enter the material and press enter, the system will get in new screen. Okay, here you can see that the full details regarding the level, okay, at which you are going to activate the material. If you will select this checkbox, it means you are going to activate the deletion flag for that material at client level. It means whatever the company code and the material and material is created at whatever plant, so the business cannot continue the transactional activity for that material. Okay, and if you activate this checkbox, okay, it will specify that you are just activating the deletion flag of the material at only specific plant level. Okay, then later you can see the storage location level. You can also activate the deletion flag at storage location level. Similarly, there are some different level where you can activate the deletion flag of that material, like valuation type, sales organization, warehouse number, storage type. Okay, so based on your requirement, whatever is the business requirement, you just have to activate the deletion flag as per that. Okay, so here I am activating the deletion flag of material at client level. So it means in this client, if the material is in the multiple plant, our multiple company code, so the deletion flag is work for all the plant and all the company code. And whenever user will go to do some transactional activity, like create a PR, create a PPO, so the system will not allow to the user to create PR or a PO or any other activities. Okay, so this is the use of deletion flag. Okay, so friends, this is all about how we can activate the deletion flag for material and where it will impact. Okay, and why we activate the deletion flag for the material, we have just uh, learned in this video. Okay, so thanks for today. So I would also request you to please visit our channel, uh, watch video, also share video to your friends who are eager to learn SAP. Okay, so and we will meet in the next video with some different topic where we will learn a new things. Okay, like many are the topics there in the management, material management point of view. So we will learn one by one. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay.